So once you've joined the class in McGraw-Hill and you've put in that redemption code, you'll have a screen like this, and then we'll be able to get to the actual course itself. And so here is our home screen. So I'm just going to show you a few things in here. We'll work more on learning this later, but just a couple things to be able to see and use. First of all, your textbook is always going to be here. It's going to be the ebook. So when I click on that, it will take you to your textbook. This is got some pretty good features for you. Obviously, your glossary here, when you click on that, it's going to have all of the terms that are used in the book and those definitions here. And it actually reads those for you.
Absolute age. The numerical age in years of a rock or object.
You can actually get them.
Absorption. The process in which nutrients from digested
You can
food
actually
are
get them
taken
to
into
be
the body.
read in Spanish as well. There's an index here, so you can search the keywords that you're looking for, and it will take you to the pages that you may not have remembered. So when you go into the text, I'm just going to put a random page number here for us. So it's got some pretty cool things that allows you to mark in your book, and because you have your own book this year, so your own computer this year, you can do some things in here that you weren't able to do before. And so now, I'm going to get to a page here for us here we go. So now some of the things that you have up here is you have the ability to
health and science.
Listen.
Have an upset stomach?
To the book get read for you. If I get this to work here, let's try this one. Yeah, so here we go. So I can underline things in here. I can add notes here, kind of like sticky notes. So I just click on that again and it will open it back up for me. I'll have to play around with some of these other ones like oh, I thought this one is supposed to be a highlighter, and I can't get it to work right now, but you can see the other ones are definitely working there for you. So just kind of like a basic introduction to the textbook there. I'm going to go back to menu here. It's got some of the resources that we have in class. So if I click on that resources page, so these are all of the things that I might give you from the book. So what's cool about this is, let's say you misplace something or you can't find something, let's say, you can actually come into the chapter and the lesson that we're working on, and you would be able to find those things. So not as important for us this year because you're going to be using everything online, but if you were getting a physical copy, you could find that stuff here. If I decide to add homework for you in McGraw-Hill, we could find that here. And there's just some other things for you to be able to look at. So that's your basic overview of what McGraw-Hill has to offer.